Hey, what's up guys? Drew Mead here from MarineMax on Lake Lanier. I am showing off a 2026 Sylvan G3. Guys, this is one of the first Sylvans we've gotten in with the glass windshield. Can't wait for you guys to come check it out. We've got two of them. This is the G3. Follow me on Inside the Boat and I'm going to be happy to give you a walkthrough tour. All right, welcome on board the 2026 Sylvan G3. This one is a CLZ. That's the rear lounger back here. And then it is a DC. So it's a G3 CLZ dual console. So if you look up in front here, you're going to see two glass windshields. This is the perfect crossover between your V-hull fiberglass sport boat bow rider and a killer tri-toon. So with that glass windshield, it just really brings those two genres together. So you get all of the benefits of a tri-toon and how it rides and handles, plus the glass windshield, the dual captain's chairs feel of a sporty bow rider. So back here in the back, you've got our Sylvan signature enclosed transom. So you've got this nice gate back here. That's going to make this seat behind me, the CLZ aspect of this floor plan, a legal seat to ride in when you're underway. So if you want to lounge in the back while you're underway with this gate, that is legal. You can do that. And while you're lounging on the G series, you've got digital controls here for the lights. You can raise the bimini top up and down. That is an electric bimini top. You can turn the underwater lights, the exterior lights on and off. Super cool. Cell phone chargers. That's a USB, USB-C port right there. You can pretty much lounge back here on the back of the boat and charge your phone, turn on and off any of the systems you want. You've got speakers right here. Man, they've really kind of got everything right at your fingertips back here in this lounge chair. And then the extended stern decks back here are awesome too. So for getting in and out of the water and just having a little extra room back here on the back, the extended stern deck is killer. Guys, the G3 paired with that V8 300 VRDO, and this boat is an absolute rocket ship. That VRDO 300 also has the sport exhaust. So if you want that little extra V8 exhaust note, you can do that. You can have a little growl, or you can turn it off and it will be super, super quiet. So as I move forward into the cockpit, you'll see the little prep station or bar over here on the starboard side. There's another power outlet there for 12 volts. You have a freshwater sink. And then this awesome setup. This is the dual console part I was talking about before. Both sides have raised helms and this flip up bolster seat. This is so nice. The raised helm, the bolster seat that gets your height of eye up over the windshield and really up over that forward couch cushion. So when folks are sitting in front of you as the captain, it just makes it so much easier to navigate with the raised helm platform and the bolster seat. And then let's talk about this helm station. This is unique to the G series boats. You're going to have your Simrad multifunction display, and all of the digital switching is controlled right through that Simrad. So you got your chart plotter, your depth sounder, and control of all of the systems on board the boat right here through the Simrad. You have some redundant manual buttons here as well. So let's say you've got the chart pulled up on your screen and you don't want to navigate away from that to turn the lights on and off. They got you covered. You got buttons at the dash you can press as well. This V8 300 is equipped with digital throttle and shift. So you can push start, push stop. Active trim, man, the fly-by-wire, just the shifting is instantaneous with that DTS. It is so nice. You got to come here and feel it. There's also a wireless phone charger built in right here in the dash. So you can plug, or don't even have to plug your phone in. You can just set your phone right in that little cubby compartment and she'll start charging. The passenger's console, very, very similar, almost a duplication of the helm. Again, wireless phone charger, large glove compartment. You have wired phone charger over there on the left, so USB, USB-C. Man, I'm just I'm out of words to tell you all of the cool features for this boat. You got to come see it for yourself. Up here in the bow, 2 awesome loungers. You can sit with your legs straight out, or you could have a nice cocktail up here in the front with the anchor down, watching the sunset. Man, we're gonna have this boat on display here at Baldridge Marina on Lake Lanier. My name is Drew Mead. Come see the Sylvan G-3 CLZ DC. I'll be happy to show it to you.